Oh boy. Props are hitting, one of them is hitting on something. Bring it down here and take a look there. Hello and welcome to Turbo's FPV World. How you doing, everybody? Today, I'm beating the crap out of stuff. Now we're looking at the Tinyhawk Freestyle. Don't pay too much attention to mine. I beat the crap out of it. See, mine's got a splint. I had to put two pins in there to hold the arm straight. But it is pretty tough. It is. I mean, I beat the crap out of it. Don't get me wrong. It's a great quad. Great for the beginner. And I tried the Indy RC's PIDs. For me, the Emax ones work better. I put the rate or my PID profile one back into it. That was the original ones, and I just had to up the rates. The rates were really low, and I need to up them some more. It's not doing snap rolls quite as quick and snappy as I'd like them to do, but other than that, the thing flies great. Like I say, I just flew it hard and really crashed it. I'll show you some video if I haven't already shown you a little bit of video. Put it up here in the corner or something, but yeah, it's got oh shoot, where's my goggles? Need some goggles to see, right? 7,000 kV. I believe they're 1103s, but I'm not positive on that. I can't read that writing. It probably says, I think they're 1103s though, but don't quote me. But they're 7,000 RPM. They seem great. They don't get hot. They run really cool. It would probably handle 3S if the ESCs would handle it. I think they're only 5 or 6 AMC ESCs, so of course they probably won't handle 3S, but the motors would, I believe. But yeah, I mean, for this money class, if you're going to look into this one, if you're a beginner or you like the Tinyhawk original indoor one, yeah, definitely get this. It's great. But if you're more advanced and you want something that really rips, there's other ones this price range out there that are probably faster and better, as far as, I don't know, better, but faster and more suited for your flight style. But I do like they're not toothpick props. They are these, and I did try it on toothpick props. Didn't like it as much as I did these. But anyway, yeah, it's a pretty good one, man. For real. I like the little guy. And I'll show you some pictures of it when it was before it was beat to crap. Because yeah, I have beat it to crap, but it keeps on ticking. It's still level. Put the pins in it and straighten it all out, and still flies pretty good. Those last flights that I show you there, those are with these pins in it. So yeah. The only thing I don't like, I have to say this, I have to give it a con. The VTX, I mean, put a 50 milliwatt, 100 milliwatt. You don't have to put a 200 milliwatt into something that's small, but 50 or 100 would be awesome. But I do have the Happymodel Diamond coming with a DVR and 200 milliwatt. I might put it in here. So stay tuned. May have some good DVR. There's no breakup, because look, you'll see in the flight footage. It's just, of course, it's worse on the DVR, of course, but it's pretty bad in the goggles as well. I mean, it got to where I had to put it down because I couldn't see very good. So there you go. Tinyhawk Freestyle. If you're a beginner, go for it. It's cool, and it's pretty, and it's fun. Be turbo for Turbo FPV, and I'm out of here.